In this video, I'm going to show you how to contact the EA Games support team. This is really helpful if you're having issues with your account and want to speak to someone through live chat. First, open any internet browser and search for EA Sports, then press Enter. Click on the first website that appears. Once you're on the EA.com website, go to the top right corner, click the question mark icon, and select EA Help. Next, click Sign in the top right and log in with your EA account. After signing in, hover your mouse over Help by topic, then choose EA account. Scroll down to the bottom of that page until you see Still Having Issues. Contact us and click on it. You'll now see a short form. Type something like Account. Then select Link My EA Account. Under Search for a game or product, choose a game, for example, FIFA, and then pick the console you use, such as Xbox. You can now describe the issue you're facing and attach a file if necessary. When you're done, press Submit. EA will show some recommended help articles, but you just need to scroll down to the bottom where you'll see an option to chat with us. Click it, and you'll be taken to the live chat window. Keep in mind that live chat is only available during working hours. If you don't see the option, it means support is currently closed. Once the chat opens, simply type in the box and start talking to the support team. Thanks for watching.